Saving documents to Enumerate Engage is really a very, very simple process, but it's like most everything in life. It takes a little practice to get good at it. And if you don't do it a lot, you're going to forget and you're going to want to have some breadcrumbs. We'll leave these breadcrumbs for future folks via this video. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and log into Enumerate with someone that has the admin rights. And I went ahead and impersonated Mr. Doyle for this. Wanted to make sure that his account was set up properly to execute these actions. And you'll note that if you are an admin, you can impersonate any individual to see exactly what they're seeing. So it's a really, really great feature. Not all databases have that. So this website / database has that for us. So we want to go to the admin section because we're doing admin work. And we're going to go to custom resource groups. Again, this video is going to be for the custom groups. Any of these elements, documents that are public, secure, this process is going to be very similar. You just have to get to the right place. Board documents, instead of going to admin, you'd go to board and you can upload from there. And we'll make a separate video for that just to have that for reference. So once you click that link, it brings this window here, and you've got custom resource groups. And you'll see down below, here's all the custom resource groups. And ostensibly what these are folders on the community pages. So let's go ahead and take a board meeting minutes, and let's use that as our example process here. So I'm there. I want to go modify my files. And also note, you can edit this. It's right now a secure folder, which means that if you go to the public site, you can't see it. You have to log in as a member to see this folder. You can edit this folder. You can remove it, or you can add categories. And what a category is ostensibly a subfolder. And so right now, all of these folders are set up through 2023. Come 2024, when you go to upload your first meeting minutes, you're going to have to create a new category for this grouping. So let's go ahead and go into our files. So what it does is it opens up the all of the files that are currently loaded, and this kind of looks like a train wreck mess because you see a lot of stuff there. But again, it has metadata associated with each of these files to put it into a subfolder. So it's all here. You can go down through and you'll see the last 7 years of board meeting minutes as required by law to be held. But we've organized it so that the 2023 is at the top. You can go ahead and upload an individual file here, but I really recommend that you try the bulk upload. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Even if you're just going to do a single file, I find that it's a lot easier to use on a repeated basis. So when you click that bulk upload files, it brings you to this window here, and you want to create, select your category, which is again your subcategory. So the name of this category is board meeting minutes -2023. The sorting that add to top of list is by default selected. You're going to want to unselect that because we've labeled these files by month. And a note right here, make sure that your format of your file name matches the format of the other files there, just for consistency. You can put it anywhere. It doesn't matter with your sort, but it's good to be consistent uh, with what you have there. If you upload one and you don't like it, you can go back and edit this file. We'll show you that in a minute. But I do not like this feature, the way we've organized our data. It puts it to the top, then you got to sort it to the bottom. If you don't check this, it just goes to the bottom. And then you're going to go to a Window Explorer and find your file and drag it over here. Once you've dragged it, you'll see that it's uploaded. And as soon as that upload is complete, you're going to get a pop-up window to say OK. That's all you can do here is say OK. So you say OK, and off you go. And you're going to find where this thing is. And if it didn't go where you wanted it to go, you can go ahead and left click and hold and drag. And you can move these files around and get them in the right order. And once you do so, again, you get this very annoying sort order updated thing. You can't do anything but say OK, but if you are trying to move this thing 3 or 4 spaces and you only get it like maybe 2, you gotta say OK and then try another 2. So it's really kind of an annoying feature, but if you're only doing this once in a while, it's probably very helpful to let you know that, yeah, you really did move it. Again, also note your edits here. This is what I was talking about. If you named your file inappropriately for the others, you can go ahead and edit it right here. You don't have to go through the upload process. Just go ahead and clean that up. Okay. So here we want to delete the file that I uploaded for this video. It doesn't belong here, so you got to go find it. And you hit remove. And then once you hit remove, you say, okay, now here you can say, okay, or you can cancel this operation. In most cases, you don't get the cancel opportunity. But here, if you make a boo-boo, you can cancel that. All right. Now, for a really important step, go check your work. Make sure that the file went where you wanted it to, that it looks proper. So in this case here, we're trying to put that file on a community page in the board and member meeting minutes area. And we go ahead and go over here, and you're going to see that I go to the board meeting minutes folder, the 2023 subfolder, and then you can look to see if the file that you uploaded went where you want it to go. That's it. It's pretty simple, and hopefully you find it very, very simple to do.